In this video, I am going to answer the question, what is a percent? A percent is a ratio in which the denominator is 100. Here, percent, think per 100. So if you have a ratio of 62 to 100, you can rewrite this ratio as 62 over 100 or 62 per 100, and writing that as a percent would simply be 62%. This is the percentage sign, and it always follows the number. Let's say that you have 7 to 100. The second term in this ratio is 100, so the denominator is also 100. 7 over 100, or 7 per 100, and that is going to be equal to 7%. So think 7 per 100. 7%. Let's look at a few examples. Let's say that out of 100 multiple choice questions, you answer 87 correctly. What is your final score, or the percent correct? So your score was 87 to 100. That you can rewrite that as 87 out of 100, which is simply 87%. So your final score, or the percent correct, was 87%. Let's say that 3 cherries are ripe on a tree that has 100 cherries in total. What percent of cherries are ripe? Well, there are 3 cherries ripe out of 100, or per 100. So that's going to be 3% of the cherries are ripe. It also asks what percent of the cherries are not ripe. Well, if 3 are ripe out of 100, cherries that are not ripe are what is left over. So 100 minus 3, because there are 3 ripe ones, will give us that 97 cherries are not ripe. So that's 97 out of, or per 100 cherries are not ripe. So that's going to be 97%. So whenever you have that the denominator is 100, or it's a ratio that is per 100 or to 100, then you can write it as a percent. But let's be realistic. Most of the times, things do not come evenly in 100 or values per 100. So in this next video, I'm going to show you how to convert to make things that are not out of 100 into a percent.